Graphically triggering on an event with your oscilloscope is an extremely powerful tool. Using the hardware-accelerated zone trigger on the MXO3 oscilloscope, you can graphically isolate events. Simply set up a zone trigger in both the time and frequency domain, combine it with history and segmentation mode, and use logical definitions for an enhanced detection. Here, I have a modulated sine wave, which I'm looking at in both the time and frequency domain. Easily draw a zone in the area that you want to capture. Open the Zone Trigger menu to set up additional zones or areas, the logic operator, and history. Once you stop the acquisition of your scope, you can scroll back through the history and see the exact moment or moments in time that you wanted to capture. Check out the MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.